Right, so we have some more new crisps to try here, and this time we have these Takis. They are volcano flavour, so we're expecting a little bit of heat. I have milk on standby in case it's needed, but hopefully it's not. So they do say new on them. I don't know if they are new, but for the first time I've seen them, so I picked them up and I got them. They were in Morrison's for £3 a bag, so it's still a bit expensive, but considering the normal price at Takis, it's about par for the course, really. I've already reviewed a few different Takis on the channel. I've tried the Fuego ones, the Nacho Explosion, and there was another one as well recently. I can't remember what it was. Anyways, Volcano. So, picture on the front are your rolled up tortilla chips, as you'd expect with your normal Taki. Some peppers and cheese. So we're expecting a cheesy and chili flavour, which is Volcano. Oh, Christ. It stings the nostrils when you smell them. So absolutely covered in flavouring. They're a deep orange colour. They smell quite lethal. They look it as well. Like, the amount of flavour on them is ridiculous. But here we go. Well, immediately it's really cheesy. Don't get a massive amount of spice. Well, that's disappointing. Why call them Volcano if they're not spicy? There's a little bit of heat there, but not to warrant the name Volcano. Plus the Nacho Explosion ones I tried recently were cheesier and spicier than these as well. So these are definitely a letdown. They taste nice, but with a name like Volcano, and with the reputation that Takis have got as being like a really spicy crisp or tortilla chip, bit of a letdown. Now, pouring that pint of milk was a waste. I'm thinking I might get a hit of spice if I start shoveling them in. Yeah. It's even got like thermometers on there explaining that it's really hot with flames coming out of it. And this isn't me. If you've not watched the channel before, I don't try to downplay a spice. I'm not a proper spice head. I'm not pretending to be hard. It just genuinely isn't spicy. So what kind of chilies have they got in here? Cheese and chili flavouring. Paprika extract. Doesn't even mention any sort of chilies. Not even like jalapeno or anything. So no wonder it's not spicy. So don't call them Volcano then. Right, we'll get round to rating them. They're definitely my least favourite Takis I've tried so far. I am hoping to get my hands on the blue Takis, because whether they taste nice or not, they look cool. But these are definitely a letdown. The flavours are alright, not special, but there's no spice really. So for a rating of 100 for these Volcano Takis, we'll give these a 62 out of 100. There's definitely better out there than these.